Hi, I'm Kerry. I'm a retired financial advisor. Ran one of the largest financial planning firms in the Ameriprise system. And then I got back into the business about 5 years ago. And with the advent of AI, I'm now able to do all the analysis work that had been very difficult and laborious of the past in a matter of seconds. In essence, what's happened is through the use of AI, I can access all the balance sheets, the income statements, the cash flow statements of any company that I want and do an in-depth analysis. Also take into consideration any Wall Street predictions of what the price will be in the future, any legal situations that are going on. So now, in a matter of minutes, I can create, and that's what I do, in-depth financial health analysis of the stocks that are going to change the world. That's the AI stocks. I want to share this with you, and I'd love for you to come by our website, Best of Us Investors. Take a look on a free trial at our gold platform, and there you'll see all of my analysis work, 12-page analysis of stocks. Also converted that 12-page into a podcast and then a briefing, all at your access for as little as $29.95 a month. Come take a look, Best of Us Investors. I think I can help make you wealthy.